Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. I run online IELTS and spoken English classes. Interested people can contact me through email. My email address is given in the description box. Along with that, the links for other videos are also mentioned. So kindly watch them out. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we have started subordinating conjunctions. All these subordinating conjunctions are very helpful in making complex sentences. All this will help you a lot in IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRE and spoken English. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. Let's see the definition. The subordinating conjunction is a conjunction used to connect two different clauses, phrases or sentences from which one is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. In other words, a subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see the formula. Main clause, then subordinating conjunction, then subordinate clause. First of all, we will see before. Okay, arrow is indicated that here before means backward. See here, before that is backward and after that is forward. Here you can say next also. And before means previous. Five students are standing in a queue. So here we will use backward counting. So from here to here we will do, that is backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have done backward counting. That is the meaning of before. So it will help you to understand the meaning of before. Okay, let's see with examples. Before means it shows sequence or order. First, the train reached the station before us. So here the train, main clause, reached, that is subordinating conjunction. Here before, that is subordinating conjunction, reached the station, and us, that is subordinate clause. Next, did he say anything before he left? So here, did he say anything? So this is main clause, before subordinating conjunction, and here he left, that is subordinate clause. Here also before, that is subordinating conjunction, and here the train reached, that is main clause, and the station be us, that is here subordinate clause. Before, whatever is given after before, that is subordinate clause. Only us will come. Come and visit me before you leave. So here come and visit me, that is main clause. Before, that is subordinating conjunction, and you leave, that is subordinate clause. Before I take meal, I wash my hands. So here before comes in the beginning, that's why comma is necessary. So here before I take milk. So before subordinating conjunction, I take milk, subordinate clause, and this is I wash my hands. That is main, or you can say principal clause. He always feeds the dogs before he goes to school. So here he always feeds the dogs, that is main clause, before subordinating conjunction, and he goes to school, that is subordinate clause. I shall come here before 6 p.m. So here before, that is subordinating conjunction. This is subordinate clause. I shall come here, that is main clause, or you can say principal clause. The thief is running before the police. So here the thief is running, main clause, before subordinating conjunction, and the police, that is subordinate clause. Answer the first question before you proceed further. So answer the first question, that is main clause, or you can say independent clause. Here before, that is subordinating conjunction, you proceed further. So this is dependent clause, or you can say here this is subordinate clause. Look before you leap. Before subordinating conjunction, this is subordinate clause, and this is look. Here it is given here in sense of here looking. Look before you leap. So in taking care, it in the sense of given. Do not go before I come. We got into the pot before the storm came on. So here before, that is subordinating conjunction, the storm came on, that is subordinate clause, and we got into the pot, that is main clause. Last one. My grandfather died before I was born. So here I was born, that is subordinate clause, before, that is subordinating conjunction, and my grandfather died, that is main or principal clause, or you can say independent clause. This way you have to use this before. You can use this in between the sentence as well as in the beginning of the sentence also. But one thing you have to remember, when you start in the beginning writing before, then you have to be very careful that immediately after this subordinate clause you have to put comma. Let's move to next, that is till, or you can say until. So both refers time. So up to the time, that is the meaning of both. Till, that is informal, and until, that is formal. So here in till you have to use double L, whereas here in writing until you have to use only single L. Let's see the example. I waited till he finished his work. So here I waited, that is main clause, till, that is subordinating conjunction, and he finished his work, that is subordinate clause. Next, she struggled hard in her bad days until she succeeded. So here she struggled hard in her bad days. So here that is main clause. Until, that is subordinating conjunction, and here she succeeded, that is subordinate clause. You can put till here also. So both are interchangeable. You can use any. Don't go out until you finish your work. I did not have many friends until I was admitted to college. Here you can use till also. Both have the same meaning. So you can use any. Don't write anything until the bell rings. I waited for my friend until he came. James lived with his parents till he was 25. Up to the particular time, he lived with his parents. That's why here till is mentioned. Stay here till I come back. Will you wait till I return? We shall stay here till you return. So if you want to make this sentence more formal, then use until. I waited till the train arrived. Sheila will wait until he returns. Up to the particular time he returns, Sheila will wait. That is the meaning of this till and until. Do not go till I come. Let's do exercise. Choose the correct conjunctions from brackets. Okay, 4 sentences are given with brackets. You have to choose any one. Which one is correct? Now your time starts now. Let's check answers. They will be away Friday. So until or before what will come? So here until is proper. They will be away until Friday. Wait here till I come. Before she left, she gave everyone a present. So here before is proper. Sequence is given, that's why. Destiny woke and ate a few bites going back to sleep. So until and before both are given. Which one is correct? Before. That is the correct answer. Destiny woke and ate a few bites before going back to sleep. So it shows order or sequence. That's why before is proper. Hope you understood well these subordinating conjunctions. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep subscribing. Bye for now.